My son's got a school project on the San Diego Zoo, so we took it as an opportunity to go back to San Diego, a city we haven't visited in a long time.
Wow.
Do you see that? Right there in front of us? It looks like there's a whole house right on top of the building.
Before my wife and I got married, we used to visit San Diego quite frequently.
Oh my gosh, did you see that, Mama?
This is the gas lamp quarter in downtown San Diego. It really is a great place to take your family to walk around at nighttime and to visit the various shops.
Octopus. I'm an octopus.
Yeah, they match.
All of these are long.
It's been years since we've been back to San Diego, so we took the opportunity to visit some of our favorite places to eat. And one of those places is Phil's Barbecue. There's always a long line at Phil's, but it's well worth the wait. The other place that we really miss is some place called Extraordinary Desserts, and they have some of the best cakes imaginable.
No more?
With delays in insurance reimbursement, we had to kind of go frugal on our trip. Our whole family loves to eat, which means that when we're gonna sacrifice accommodations and not food.
So cute. That's a baby one, right, Baba? I never been to a zoo. Cool, right? Hi, fishy. I'm gonna cook you. But you wanna see the orange face? Wow.
Oh!
Wow, so many penguins. Right, Baba?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this starfish.
Lying down right there. Do you see inside that hole? He's
gigantic. See it? Baba.
Oh my gosh, it's right here. Look how beautiful.
Thank you.
Ooh. Here, my water.
Boy lion's right there. Wow.
It's slow, right?
It's super slow.
Because I thought it was gonna be fast like earlier. Because I remember my experience. Yeah. So I was like, where's my car? Oh no, we're going up.
Oh, how fun.
I'm scared.
I know.
I'm scared.
See, there's nothing to be scared of, right?
Yeah.
We're going down.
We're going down, Mama.
Oh, finally.
Hi, Red Candy. Red Panda.
I was recording this.
Mama doesn't like. Mama has a fear of snakes.
Yes.
You got stuck shaking it. Yay! Shaking it, Mama.
We really hope that you enjoyed our visit to the San Diego Zoo.